The MacBook Air's newest rival? Acer announces super lightweight Swift 5 laptop. Apple's MacBook Air has a brand new rival after Acer announced a new super lightweight Swift 5 laptop at IFA 2018 in Germany. Acer claims the Swift 5 is the world's lightest 15-inch notebook, coming in at just 990 grams. The hardware is incredibly lean too, measuring up at just 15.9 mm thin. The device comes packing Intel's 8th generation processors in addition to a full 1080p resolution screen with touch functionality. Both i5 and i7 variants of the laptop will be available and should be extremely capable. The Swift 5 is also packing up to 16 GB of DDR4 SDRAM and up to 1 TB of SSD storage. Acer claimed the Swift 5 should be able to achieve up to 10 hours of battery on a single charge. Introducing the product, the company's general manager for consumer notebooks, Jerry Ho, said, Acer is consistently developing new ways to engineer thin and light chassis designs that house the latest technology with stellar features. The industry-leading sub-1 kg weight on the new Swift 5 delivers all that's best in an ultra-portable notebook, a sleek chassis, stylish design, and slim bezels with superb performance and battery life. A fingerprint sensor has made its way onto the notebook. This also supports Windows Hello, meaning users will not have to worry about entering their passcode every time they open up the device. Bezels have been shaved on the Swift 5, meaning they measure up at just 5.87 mm. Overall, this amounts to an incredibly high 87.6% screen-to-body ratio. The Swift 5 will launch in European territories in November and will start at €1,099, £994.86, for the 15-inch model. It will then come to the US in January and start at $1,099, £853.26. However, a 14-inch option will also be available. The former will start at €999, £904.33, and launch in European territories next month.